Hi, this is Dr. Kelley LeBlanc from Kelley Chiropractic on Hilton Head Island. I wanted to tell you a little bit about the Activator instrument, which is the instrument that I use instead of the twisting and cracking. So Activator adjusting has been around since 1967. It was the first chiropractic instrument that was developed. It was designed after a dental tool to loosen a tooth, so very small force but fast tap. So there's 4 settings. This is level 1. I'll just let you kind of hear that. So it's just a small amount of force. What it does is it shakes the bone, it breaks up adhesions around the joint, but it also stretches the soft tissue around the joint very quickly, and it resets the neurological loop with your brain to reset the tone of the soft tissue around the joint. So it has a physical effect, but it has a neurological effect too. So that was level 1. There's 4 settings. I'll let you hear level 4. So this is on my desk. So that's for the bigger bones of your hips or your low back, level 4. When I do level 4 on the hips and low back, it does not feel like a lot of force because we don't have a lot of vibration sensors in our buttocks. So it does shove the bone, it stretches the soft tissue around the joint very quickly, and that helps reset the neurological loop with the brain. So that's the Activator instrument. It has a whole analysis that goes with it that's based on neurological reflexes. So it's very, very gentle, very, very safe. This instrument can be used on little babies, newborn babies, and people with osteoporosis, people with cancer. It can be used on the largest men. The largest guy that I have is over 6'4" and more than 350 pounds. But the force goes right through all of the flesh, the muscle, no matter how tight it is. Someone doesn't have to relax before it's actually used because it goes right through all that. So it's more of a force that has a neurological effect, but it also moves the bone. So if you have any questions, please give us a call at 843-321-8119, or you can also go to our website. It's www.chirokelley.com, CHIROKELLEY.com. You can also schedule online at the website. So I hope to hear from you, and if you have any questions, just give us a call. Thank you.